Did you know that the perfect family man can fool everyone except a security camera? Chris Watts posted loving photos with his pregnant wife Shanann and daughters Bella and Celeste. Date nights, family trips, pure happiness. When they vanished, Chris begged for their return on live TV, tears streaming down his face. He claimed Shanann left with the girls after a fight, but at 5:17 in the morning, a neighbor's camera captured something chilling. Chris loading something heavy into his truck. His phone pinged 40 miles away at an oil site. FBI dogs found death in his basement. Luminol revealed cleaned blood. When investigators showed Chris the footage, his story crumbled. The confession was worse than anyone imagined. He strangled Shanann in rage, but when his daughters saw their mother's body, he made a choice that haunts investigators to this day. He smothered them both. The oil tanks at his work site held the answer to where they went. Sometimes the monster lives in the house next door, and sometimes he cries on camera.